Hey there, welcome back to Garfin's Creation. Today at Garfin's Creation, we'll be making this crunchy peanut butter bars or bites. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description box below. Let's start with the recipe. We'll begin by greasing a 5 by 5 inches cake pan. I have put a parchment paper inside it and will grease it with oil all over, even the sides. You can cover all the 4 sides of the pan with the butter paper as well. You could also use a 6 by 6 inches pan. A 5 by 5 inches pan will give you a little thicker pieces. So we'll just now keep this aside for some time. So these are the ingredients. I have taken 40 grams of Rice Crispies and 40 grams of Butterscotch nuts. The total is 1 cup. Next, I have also taken 2 tablespoons of oil. This is vegetable oil. Half a cup of crunchy peanut butter. And along with that, I have taken 1.5 cup of white chocolate. I have cut the chocolate into smaller pieces and then taken 1.5 cup. We will begin by melting the white chocolate. Using the double boil method, I have taken some hot water in a pan below and I placed the bowl of chocolate over it. White chocolate gets burnt easily, so you can either microwave it or double boil it and melt it. As the bowl gets hot, the chocolate starts melting quickly. So I'll just stir it till all the chocolate is almost melted. And then I'll be adding the 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil will help the chocolate to melt easily and the bars will not get very hard once they are set. You can also place this entire bowl and pan over the gas stove and let the chocolate melt. So now the chocolate is melted. We'll be now adding the half cup crunchy peanut butter. For more stronger taste of the peanut butter, you could add up to 3/4 cup of peanut butter into this. Mix it well as the peanut butter will get easily melted as the chocolate is warm enough. Just mix it and it gets dissolved soon. And then we'll be adding this Rice Krispies. In place of the butterscotch nuts, you could replace it with full Rice Krispies. You could add 1 cup of any crunch into this. In place of the Rice Krispies, you could also add rice puffs. That is rice kurmuras. And just mix it all together. And this is all. You do not have to cook or bake or anything. You'll just remove it out from the hot water pan. And I'll just wipe the below of the bowl because of the water vapor on it. What we have to do now is just pour it into the prepared pan. So you see how simple and easy this recipe is, but believe me, it is really very tasty and crunchy. So after pouring this, we just tap the pan so it levels up. We will now let this cool a bit on the tabletop itself. And once it has come to room temperature, we will keep it in the fridge to set for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll just put this tray into the fridge. And now after 30 minutes, I'll just get it out and run a knife from the sides at the place where I have not added the butter paper. So just run a knife and it comes out easily as well. Just pull it out and we'll be cutting it into pieces. As the festive season is near, this is one great idea to add to your sweet platter. This is not only easy and quick to prepare, but also very tasty. Now you can cut it into any desired shape or size. You can also pour the hot mixture into some chocolate molds to get some great designs. If you desire, you can keep them as it is in this bar shape. You can wrap these bars in some parchment paper or some decorative paper. You can cut them down into more smaller pieces as well. So you can wrap these bars individually and add it to your gift hampers. You can also further divide them into smaller pieces. Just put them into the small cupcake liners and add it into your Mithai box as well. So with this, our crunchy peanut butter bites and bars are ready. I hope you like this recipe and do try it and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such videos. See you soon again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.